couple of you have had questions about the if function in the workbook assignment. So I kind of created a little spreadsheet that's very similar to what you have to do for the workbook assignment. And I can kind of go through this and explain to you how it works. And then what you have to do in the workbook assignment is almost identical. So what we've got here is a spreadsheet for Daisy's Donuts. We've got the sales reps listed with their June sales. People like donuts. And we're going to calculate the commission, which is 2% of their sales. So we're going to do equal, click on the sales, and multiply that by 2%. Now, in order to copy this down, we have to make the commission percentage, that cell, absolute. So we're going to press the F4 key, which is the absolute key. And that puts those dollar signs in there. And we're going to go ahead and press enter. And that calculates the commission. Now I'm going to click on that result because I'm going to grab the fill handle and drag it down. And the reason I can copy this and it will work is because I made G3 absolute. In every single case, I want to take the sales and multiply it by G3. And for the bonus, if the rep sells more than $40,000 worth, they get a bonus of 1.5% of their sales. If they don't sell $40,000 worth, they don't get anything. So we are going to use the if function to calculate this. So we're going to say equal if, and the condition that we're checking is the sales. So we're going to click on sales, and we're checking to see if it's greater than 40,000. And when you enter numbers in a condition, you don't put commas in them. Okay, so we've got 40,000. You have to just enter the plain number, and that is our condition that we're testing. So at this point, we're going to do a comma, and after that first comma, you have to tell Excel what to do if the condition tests true. Well, if the condition tests true, we are going to take our sales in B4, and we're going to multiply them by 1.5%. Okay, that's what we're going to do if it's true. Now we're going to put in a comma. We have to tell it what to do if it's false. And if it's false, they get 0. Okay, I'm going to put in the right parentheses. So that is my function. Now, in order to copy this down, okay, so that I can check for each of the reps, I need to make H3 absolute, because that 1.5% is only in that cell. It's not in the cells below. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to press F4, and that puts those dollar signs in there. Now, F4 is a function key, and if you have a laptop, you may have to press the FN key while you are pressing F4. Okay, but you want to get those dollar signs in there. You can manually key them as well. And once you've got that, you're going to press enter, and we're going to click on that result and use the fill handle to copy it down. And then we're going to come over to total salary. And our total salary is just going to be the commission plus the bonus. Okay, and you'll notice there's no dollar signs there because in each case, what we're going to add is in both of those cells in each row. So I'm going to go ahead and drag that down. And then I'm going to adjust the formatting here. This is way too many dollar signs. I'm going to change it to comma. And you'll notice with the comma format, zeros display as dashes. Okay, and then I'm going to take these statistics, the totals, average, maximum, and minimum, And I'm just going to kind of drag that across. And at this point, it is done.